Mao ni ang ato ingredients sa ato ang beef bulgogi kinatay whole kernel corn, spring onion, garlic. Atong slice nato ang atong cucumber into thin slices. And here are the results. Naka-fine chop na ang ato ang spring onions. This time, I toasted the sesame seeds for the toppings. I can't imagine humot man din ng sesame seeds kung matoast na siya. Slow heat na ang pag-toast na to sa atong sesame seeds. Wait na to until it turns to slightly brown na. Di pa na to i-toast o maayo na mahimo na siyang black. Slightly brown lang ang pagka-color na sa sesame seeds. This is the marinated beef with gimarinate na siya overnight with 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 cloves of garlic fine chopped, spring onion, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Before cooking the beef put small amount of sesame oil sa inyong pan. After minutes of cooking, here are the results. Yummy kayo. Diba? Kahimura kita at home. In our own way. If way I lang ha, I'm not expert in cooking. Babush! Let's eat! Thank you for watching!